help you just even if it's 100, even if it's 50 naira.
Oh, Joe. How you never eat this morning? Joe? 200 for you now. 200 go reach you.
Yeah, thank you,
Joe. Jesus. Hey, somebody should help me, oh! Somebody help, oh! What did they do this boy? Hey, what did they do? He? I beg you, yeah. Man, help me, I beg.
Madam, what's
Jesus Christ. I just give us money. He said no, he dey hungry. Now money, oh, I beg.
You sure?
You sure? Yes, so I not do anything.
You sure say you not money? You don't give out. What you put person for the money?
No, he meets me.
Now there, so carry this boy. Madam,
I not do anything.
You sure?
Yes, so I beg.
you don't give money person your
He just.
This thing, now hospital session this boy need.
Jesus Christ.
Madam, you get like 5K there, so. You get one hospital way there.
Oh Jesus!
Inside this place,
I'm not go.
give me 5,000. Say go. You want to make this boy mama see you?
One and wish you better one.
He go kill you.
But now hospital will they go now?
Give
You dey bring all the money.
No, I say if your mama see you now there.
Jesus, I beg that pikin na good at do. I beg oh.
Don't let that man follow us. Oh, this movie here.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
This boy na back.
You be champion.
You still like this one, eh? Me for some of your work finish today.
No, I've already just said bring the money more share. If we boss this one tomorrow or later the day we fit see you do
in the evening.
Try call the.
We all the boss. Wait now, all this one.
If you pack all the money come on, you sure say that man not drop pass that one. You know say na back me I take face you.
Now 5K drop. 5K now drop. Wait now. And you want to share them.
What did happen? Now you see know me for this business.
You wait, let me tell you say business day. You say give me that 200. Small.
This money na see bad dash ya.
We'll go. We not stay. This junction, people pass and go. You go stay there again, yeah. I mean, I pay your 2K first.
Money.
So you want all that by yourself?
You the stone face. Not look anybody
No,
face.
see, not dumb you.
See, don't
try
go
us now. 1K
Before
before
you
they
know now,
that.
you go start school.
10K go. Alpha. We better take one bottle before another client.
Sir, please, you have not eaten since morning. And my mother is not at home, so I don't know if you can give me just 200, even if it's 100, even if it's 15 or 20, sir, please.
You don't mean it. You mean since morning till now you have not eaten?
Yes, sir.
Jesus. That is so bad. Well, just see if this can take care of you.
Thank you, sir.
Jesus! It can't happen. What's the meaning of this? Somebody should help me. This cannot happen. Somebody should help me. We need to pray. Nah, sir. Libra canna lata. This one is too small for my God to handle. This one is too small for my God to handle. How you doing?
Waiting.
How you doing? I don't know.
This boy.
I believe in God that I serve. Nothing he cannot do. Now that this boy.
This boy does not bless the boy.
How you doing? Bros, join me. Let's pray for this guy. Join me for
the prayer. This boy is so one guy.
Beloved. There's nothing God cannot do. Beloved, no time to waste money. Join me in prayers. Let's pray for this person. We need to deliver this boy. This boy need a serious emergency attention. Look at this boy, they can't shot him. Look at it. Boss, I greet you. Have Smolly. I didn't say you don't fuck me up.
No, I don't feel fuck you. You know,
Come and tell you, see. Come. You know what it is? This business, as I tell you, na better business. if you work well, who dey work for bank and no fit dey challenge you.
I trust you now. I believe you.
Na just clear. If not, I no suppose even involve you for this business. If not, be say this money will be say me fit to do this business.
No, I no fit fuck you up now. The correct guy.
Yeah, just cool matter. Before that year, Pastor Conte embarrass us that day. Now, cause someone that's money you're wrong. But this one, so you need to hold your ground, stand your ground. Don't look anybody.
You not believe me?
Now make me call you. I know say yeah, definitely you did try. Until that matter, will be say you fair when I tell you to do for that corner.
Talk with him, make you come.
So till you did there, be say as you just did that junction, I'll show you. You just did there. Anybody will just pass. They feel me so just they look calm. The town one, anybody they wear so those banker and when they get money. Anyway, you see you all say hey, yet not call those one as small till they job. We you always say small till you deal with them. Just track them. As I take play you the cassette now, so you just stay on now. Once you just give you small till you don't fall like say then the next thing you look there for me. And we will come and cover the many things. And so you just switch. Last if you they go outside, you will smile they go outside.
Boss,
business.
See business. Like this.
Now this particular place, let me did that day. Where I give one boy money, the boy collapse for year. No small money I spend.
For year? I bet sister, not be me.
This particular person I give this boy money that day.
Wait be that? Not be me.
Only now until they beg money.
No sister.
Nothing. Jesus Christ. What did they do these boys? Somebody help or what? I'm not touching money. They beg me for money. I don't give. And I said this place. I give bros. After now you know. What did they happen for here? What did they do for here? Which business they do for here?
How you doing?
I'm not touching. They beg me for money. I said I don't give at this time. Now before we fall for ground, they see they behave this.
Madam, as you do that day, because this is not happiness. Now they worry. Now 5,000 will solve the issue. 5,000 now it will solve it.
I don't get money.
Madam, what's your?
She was just the pass. Yeah. Now they beg me for money.
My
Say never eat.
My pikin.
I say I don't get money. I won't give up. And this place, let me see that they won't give up money. You go and fall like this.
How you go to Anna?
I'm not touch him. I'm not touch your.
Madam, now you
What do you do, my pikin? How you do, my pikin? Which money be that?
Madam, you guys this matter. What you concern you for this matter?
Come, my pikin.
So nothing they do. Hey, this boy. So now business now this thing they do.
Madam, don't mind this woman. Madam, come on there. Come on, 5,000, madam.
Which one?
Jesus. So now business. Oh God, I thank you. My good nothing king.
Madam, come. Don't mind this woman.
Now business is still do.
Madam, take time.
Now you be the cocky dog. See, as you don't be grease so. No shit for yash. No one for pocket. See, big boy for nothing. As you just big grease so you big. You in fact to be full of party.
Madam, why you call this spoil my business? Why you call this spoil my business?
You don't see anything to do. You say that small children you want content they do. You begging. Today you call you not go. Bros, you don't dare go.
Madam, take time. I dey beat woman.
Police! I don't catch Steve for where they use to beg money.
Madam, what?
Tell me,